Hello again. In this video, we will learn about Python list, or as known as the array. So in Python, array is famously known as called as list. So for this video, this list tutorial will be divided into several parts because it is a very long topic, and I am committed to do only a 3-minute video for per tutorial. So for this tutorial, we will learn how to initialize a list. There are two ways to initialize a list: either to declare an empty list and then append using looping and the while or for loop, and you append the list element one by one. I'm not going to show it because we will use another way. Append one to the list, so, and then we print. So this is the list because we only have one element, and because we will double quote, so it will be considered as a string. If we remove the quote, it will be an integer. And another way is to declare it as a static list, but it's not static. I mean, we declare all the elements 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. Let's see. There is one way to declare a list in Python. So there are several methods to expand the list, because in array you can only use the array up to the declared size, but in Python you can extend the list. How to extend the list? So this is our initial list, and then we use append method. Append another element at the end of the list. Now you can see that it element that we want to append at the end of the list. And also we can also add it using its index. Now, index. So, but we cannot use index as larger than its current size. Let's say we want to add in the second position, so start with 0. That will be 1. Is 1 equal to 4. Therefore 7. Already added here. Another method that we can use for list Python, we continue in the next video.